In this tutorial, we study about how to create tables in the web page. Tables, what are the tags? There's nothing but the table tags are table. First, I'll give table. Second one, th. Th means table heading. For example, column name like this. Here you see what is the column name? Month and saving. Column name. This is called column data. The records information is called what? Column data. This is. Each row, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Rows are called TR. This and all the main tags. See anything. So now we can go and see. Here how I created is nothing but you can see here table. Table I use style sheet. The width and caption. This is my caption. Monthly savings. I am using the style sheet. And here I can see TR, first one, table, immediately TR. TR means first row, I will start. Here I will end first row, TR is ending here. Can you see? TR is starting, TR is ending. So this way, I will show you neat way for clarity. Here you can see TH. Here you can see the TH, month. Anything you are writing in TH, what is the advantages? It will be by default, it is aligned what? Center. Align center and bold. And TR is closed. Here I am closing TR. Second row I am starting here. So that's why TR here. This and all called data. Data by default align left. So January and again I am closing one. Here one TR. Here I am starting one TR. Here I am starting the here. Here I used what? The style sheet. Here I use style sheet. I can write the style sheet here. TD I am writing what here? Dotted red I want. I want border collapse. Border should be collapse. Then it will come like this border. Otherwise I can give border solid. Each border, each column I can give the border here. Then only it will work. Border only. So text align center. I given what? Everything should be center. By default anyway TH is the center. Here I am giving data also center here. Padding the space between that one. That and all I am giving as a here as a style sheet here. Style sheet of the table. Style sheet of the border color of the table. Here I am giving border color solid black. Whatever table entire here you see black color is there. Here black color. Inside I say solid green. TH heading color is green, but outside is black. Maybe outside I can give some other color called blue. Then maybe it is very visible. So I can show it. Can you see border color blue? So this is a border color, but in the heading what color I said? Green. That's why coming as a green. Here I say red color. That's why it is red color. Like that it is coming as a red color. Yeah. So this way I can give what? Entire style sheet also I can apply in my table. This is the advantage of table. It is what are the important tags? Table, TH, TR for table row. This is table heading. TH means TD means table data.